Hi, it's Helen here from Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be learning how to ganache a cake. Take the cake leveler and cut the two cakes. It has grooves on each side. I normally have it on 12, but this depends on what height you would like your cake. Using a palette knife, place jam of your choice on one half of the cake. Now move the jam cake out the way and take the other half of the cake and spread buttercream. You could mix a little bit of ganache into the buttercream, and this will give it extra flavour and a great taste, but this is optional. Now place two cakes together. Place ganache onto the cake card, then put the card on one side of the cake. Using the ganache plates, place one on the cake card and one on the other side of the cake. The cake plates are from Cake Craft City, but I will put this in the link in the description below. Now place the cake onto the turntable. Apply the ganache around the outside of the cake, ensuring full coverage on the sides within the plates. Now take the cake scraper and place onto the ganache plates and run around the edge to get a smooth finish. You can repeat this process if the cake isn't level on the outside of the cake. Then pop it in the fridge until hardened. The link for the cake scraper will also be in the description below. Once the ganache is hardened, take out of fridge. Run the palette knife under the hot tap and place the palette knife between the ganache and the cake plate. Run the knife around and remove top plate only. Do not remove the bottom plate yet, because I'm going to do another tutorial on how to apply fondant using the upside down method. After removing the ganache plate, apply ganache to the top of the cake and smooth out. Place in fridge to harden. Now we have the finished ganache cake. My links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please remember to check out my other videos and also subscribe to my channel.